B&D Manufacturing designs, manufactures, and distributes products that keep mining production equipment working. For decades, our portable line boring machine, along with our wheel chocks, have set the industry standard, along with our growing OEM offerings. We've grown our Canadian facility with new equipment to help better service our customers' mining needs, with improvements to both the machine shop and our welding facility. We have a full fabrication facility and machine shop with the addition of 2 Toshiba horizontal boring mills. Our OEM product line includes work platforms, large equipment jacks, belly pan removal tool, hydraulic jacks, adjustable stands, multi-handler, stairs, stands, and we have an on-site warehouse facility with inventory. We also support our mining customers with our field services. Visit our website or contact the B&D team to learn more.